Hello guys, welcome back to my another tutorial video. In this video, if you have some copyright claim one of your YouTube video, stay tuned because I will guide you how to fix it. So here we go now. We are here in our YouTube homepage. All you need to do, first thing is to go in your profile picture and click this one. And after that, we will go to YouTube Studio. Yeah, let's wait for a while because it's loading. Yeah, there we go. We are here in my channel dashboard. Now, we are here now in my channel dashboard. And second is we go to our left side of our channel dashboard and we will click the content so that we can check what video has a copyright claim. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so in this here in my video list of my video, I can no restriction, no copyright claim. Now we will go in my live stream because I have a lot of copyrights claim. So let's go here and in my live stream. Yeah. And guys, you can see the copyright claim here in the restriction tab. Okay, here in the restriction tab. Example, this one, none, so no copyright claim. So all we need to do is to search some of my copyright claim. Yeah. Okay, let's search. I wanna put my row into 30 or 50. Yes, 50. Yeah, because previously I received a lot of email from YouTube that I have a lot of copyright claim in my previous live stream, and I don't know why. I use some non-copyright music. I grab it in the YouTube. Yeah, because it says there that that is a non-copyright, but when my channel got monetized, they claim it. Yes, here we go. Yeah, let's check. Okay, none here. Let's check to the other. Okay. Let's check. It's been a while. Last year live stream. Yeah, last year live stream. There we go. Yes. Okay, I guess here. There. You see? You see this one? You see this one? I have 2 copyright claim. And let's see. Yeah, the other one. Oh, I have 3. I have 3 copyright claim. And yeah, you see that one? Yeah, this one. I need to mute that song. Okay? So here we go. All we need to do is to tap this one, the copyright claim word, and then you can see here the see details. Just click that one. And then it will show also the copyright summary and status. Okay, it says here that this video cannot be monetized. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. Okay, this is not a copyright strike. Yeah, so don't be scared if you have a copyright claim. You're scared because will damage your channel, and then all you need to do is to private that video or to delete that video. Don't do that, okay? Because there is an action that we can do. Okay, so here we go. It says here the channel impact is not affected. Here video cannot be monetized, no, under the monetization tab. And then the content used, this is one Catriona, yeah, Catriona music, a song rather. Yan, impact on the video. It says here that the video cannot be monetized. Ad revenue paid to copyright owner. Here we go. This is what I said. We have so many action. There is an action tab. Yeah. All we need to do is to click this select action, and then here is the option that we can do. Trim out segment, replace a song, mute a song, or you can dispute this copyright claim. Okay, so in this video I will mute this one. Okay, yes, I will mute this one. So let's click the mute one, and we will wait. It's okay. Here we go. Mute all sound when song plays, and you can also choose mute song only. So you choose only. Here in the first one is mute all sound when song plays. So even you're talking there, it will mute also. Okay? So here in this option number 2, mute song only. Only the song will mute. But for me, I will choose the first one. Yeah, it's up to you guys. It's up to you. For me, I will choose the first option. Mute all sound when song plays. Okay? Yeah. And then, next step is to click the continue. Click the continue. And then, it will pop up this one. Mute all sound when song plays. Okay. This process might take a while. If we're able to mute the copyrighted song, we'll update any viewing or monetization restriction on your video. So this video will remain in its current state until the process is complete. So it says here na we will wait for the process. Now we will wait for the process. Okay, until the YT done processing, done checking that, or done muting that song. Okay, so we will click the mute. Yeah, mute. Yes. This is my previous this is my previous copyright claim, or rather, this is my previous live stream last year, last year. When I applied in YPP, I don't have any copyright claim. But when I got monetized, they claim it. Yay, here we go. So, okay, this one. You see this one? This process might take a while. You may close this window and check back later. Okay? If we are able to mute all the copyrighted song, we'll update any viewing monetization restriction on your video. This video will remain in its current state until the process is complete. So while they are processing this one, we can close this window. Yeah, click the X, and this is it will look like. Here we go. Yeah, this one. Yeah, processing. You can see that one, processing and checking. Okay, we will wait for that. For me, mostly it depends how long your video, guys. It depends how long your video. Sometimes it takes a 1 hour, and also it depends how long your video or how fast your internet connection. So that's it, guys. This is how to mute if you have a copyright claim. So it's easy. Don't be scared na you want to delete that video or private that one. There is an option. Okay, there is an option. What is that? You can trim the video, you can mute, you can replace a song, or you can dispute that. Okay, so don't be scared. So that's it, guys. I hope that you follow all the steps. So it's very easy how to mute copyright song. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you are first time here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that every time I release some new videos, you will be updated. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.